Hey, I'm Kyle, and welcome to That Guy Outdoors. After separating from the Army in February 2023, I embraced the nomadic lifestyle, living full-time in my Taxa Outdoors Cricket, towed by my trusty Subaru Outback Wilderness. Join me as I explore, seek adventure, and marvel at the wonders of our world. Thanks for being part of the journey. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share the channel with other fellow adventurers. Now, let's dive into this week's episode and continue the exploration together. Welcome to the Glen Canyon area just south of Hype Bridge in Utah. This landscape shaped over millions of years is a testament to the power of the Colorado River. The canyon walls you see here are made of Navajo sandstone, formed during the Jurassic period, around 190 million years ago. The Colorado River has carved its way through these ancient rocks, creating deep gorges and unique formations. Historically, this region was home to Native American tribes, including the ancestral Puebloans, who lived in the area long before European settlers arrived. In the mid-20th century, the construction of the Glen Canyon Dam altered the flow of the Colorado River, creating the now famous Lake Powell. But even before the dam, this area was a natural wonder, attracting explorers and adventurers eager to witness its rugged beauty. Today, the Glen Canyon area remains a place of geological significance, rich history, and stunning landscapes, offering a glimpse into the Earth's ancient past.
Well, good morning, everybody. So currently rolling through Utah, about an hour and a half away from Factory Butte. This is where we are going to be doing a little kind of an epic camp out / photo shoot, video shoot with Storyteller Overland and Taxa Outdoors. Kind of exciting. Everybody's not gonna be there till tomorrow. I'm not going to the actual site. I'm just gonna go kind of set up just beyond. I've got some work to do, some editing to do. Man, this area is absolutely beautiful. I hope you enjoyed some of the footage from this morning. Got up early, it was still dark, left our spot, and right at about sunrise, pulled over, made our coffee, yep. Just turned down a random trail off the edge of the road. Sir's already chilling back here. He got to run and play fetch, and yep, there you say hi, bud. Hi. Snacks? You got snacks yet? We got any food? You already had your breakfast. But why are you talking to me? You're talking to me and you're not giving me treats? Treats? I haven't had my greenie yet, Dad. Anyways, we're gonna enjoy our drive. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Cheers.
Welcome to Factory Butte, Utah. This is a true geological masterpiece carved by millions of years of wind and water erosion. The surrounding Badlands are part of the Morrison Formation, a layer of sedimentary rock deposited over 145 million years ago during the late Jurassic period. This formation is famous for its fossils, including some of the most significant dinosaur discoveries in North America. The striking gray and tan bentonite clay that dominates the landscape here was once the bed of an ancient inland sea. Over time, the sediment hardened into the formations we see today, creating a terrain so unique that it's often compared to the surface of Mars or the Moon. Factory Butte itself stands over 6,000 feet tall, and its name comes from its smokestack-like appearance, resembling the chimneys of industrial factories. Its sheer cliffs and eroded ridges make it an iconic landmark for travelers in the Utah desert. This area is also a playground for outdoor enthusiasts, with over 5,000 acres designated for open OHV use. It's a hotspot for off-roaders, dirt bikers, and adventurers. The expansive trails wind through narrow washes, steep ridges, and its wide open flats, offering something for every skill level. Beyond the adventure, Factory Butte is a reminder of the delicate balance of nature in desert ecosystems. Despite its harsh environments, life thrives here. You'll find desert wildflowers blooming in spring, hardy shrubs like Mormon tea clinging to rocky slopes, and a silence that feels almost sacred. Sunrise and sunset bring the landscape to life, with a soft golden light transforming the Badlands into a canvas of ever-changing colors. It's a sight that draws photographers and artists from all over, eager to capture the fleeting beauty of this rugged wilderness. Factory Butte is more than just a destination. It's a testament to the power of nature's artistry and a place that inspires awe and wonder with every visit.
Been on my mind, sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. All right.
Later, brother. Later.
Well, I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no. I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no. This ain't easy, darling, 'cause the devil's on my trail. I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh yeah. I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh no. It ain't easy, darling, when the devil's on my trail. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh no. Gonna tell you one more time. I can't run, I can't hide. I can't stay in no more.
Thanks for joining me on That Guy Outdoors. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode. If you had a favorite moment, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check the links in the description for additional information, resources, and any gear I used in today's episode. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Share this episode with a friend who needs a dose of outdoor inspiration. As always, join me next week as I continue the journey into the great outdoors, exploring new landscapes, meeting incredible people, and uncovering the wonders of nature. Until then, stay curious, stay adventurous, and I'll catch you in the next episode.